Paul, what are you doing?
I'm making a baking soda volcano. You need some food coloring, red food coloring, baking soda, vinegar, plastic cup, a shovel, and some dirt.
Okay.
You're going to want to do this outside. Be sure and keep your dogs away from it. The baking soda and vinegar will make them want to dig it up. We had that happen before. That used to be a volcano.
Oh, we have one over there?
That right there used to be one till the dogs got to it.
So we used the plastic cup to help form the shape of the volcano?
Yeah. The plastic cup keeps is for the dirt to. Normally, the dirt would just fall into there. Here, you put that there, and then start putting the dirt around the plastic cup. We gotta find some soft dirt, easy to crush up.
So it just sprinkled a little bit. You think that'll help?
Yeah, that would help soften the dirt, and it would help make it stick.
You like building volcanoes?
Yeah. The best part is at the end when you blow it up.
Do you use some red food coloring to make it look like real lava?
Yeah.
You've always liked to dig in the dirt, haven't you?
Yeah.
I remember you told me there's actually an art and science to it.
There is?
You told me in the garden that there's a way to dig that makes it easier.
Yeah, you gotta go like this, not like this. That's hard, but going like this helps.
Well, what's the difference?
This kind of drills it.
Okay.
If you get, you can go like this.
Is that the correct way?
No, but it's something you can do. It's fun.
Okay. Well, what's the most effective way to dig?
This is the best way to dig.
Okay.
If you want to get a piece of dirt that has a plant on it and put it on the outside for like plants growing on the volcano.
Oh, okay. So you scoop up a little bit of dirt at once or a lot?
A lot.
Now you're patting it down?
Yeah. Cool. But before you start, if it sprinkles, that'll make it easier. Or if it didn't sprinkle, you can just hose the ground down to soften it.
Okay.
If you want, you can get some Lego men and for people.
Oh, yeah.
Like at Walmart, you can get Lego men with Lego sets.
Well, you forgot to bring your Lego men out.
Yeah, it's okay.
Well, they'll be sorry they missed the volcano, won't they?
Actually, they'll be happy.
Do you remember the last time we built a volcano a few days ago?
Yeah.
We pretended that we were people running because it was erupting, and Mommy fell down.
Yeah.
That would happen in a real volcano.
If you do not want to fall down,
No.
don't look back. You can fall down or run into a tree. Here's a tip. Take ice with you when you're running from a volcano.
How come?
They keep you cooled off.
I see.
You gotta make it hot. Volcano will make it hot.
Do you remember what a volcano is made of?
Lava and rock. What makes it a mountain is the lava melting the rock up to there. When you make a volcano, you can pretend the dirt is rock. Every once in a while, you can get your cup and pour the dirt that got in it out. Look at that. There's an ant in my volcano.
Uh-oh. Well, that's one way to get rid of ants. Are you rescuing him?
Yep.
Okay, what are we doing? What step are we on?
Right now we're getting the ant out.
Okay.
Come on, ant, get on the sticks.
This volcano's about to blow up, little ant. You can't get him?
Oh, there he is.
Okay.
He's still in there.
Okay, what are you doing when you do that?
You get where you can get out.
Oh.
The all I did was make an ambulance in there.
A what?
An ambulance inside the volcano.
Oh.
There we go. No. Oh, not that way, not that way, not that way. You do not want to get stuck.